Well, today I'm going to do something a little different. As you can see, I got these stupid things in my ears. My wife / editor is making me wear them. She says because she can't hear me all the time on the video. We'll see how that works out. It might be a one-time thing. That's pretty funny. All right, I'll get you all set up here and we'll do something. All right, so I got a bunch of stuff at Christmas time that I haven't opened yet. It's like almost the end of March. That's a little behind, I'd say. So we'll go through it and see how that works out. I don't even know where to start. Got these sockets. Lots of this stuff come from Princess Auto. If you're from the States, that's kind of like your big box stores, kind of tool store. Harbor Freight kind of thing. So we'll take this out. Oh, they're kind of different sockets. I'll show you when I open it. I'm kind of prone to hurt myself, so hopefully I don't cut any more fingers off. You definitely don't make this stuff easy to open. And my wife's coming in, just because I was talking about her. I'll pause. All right, so I'm back. So, OEM tools. First thing when I took it out of the package, one of the springs that holds the sockets on broke. But they're the star sockets. You can see them very well. I'll probably use them for something. I got two of those. And they're both the same. I'm going to leave one in the package just hanging on the wall. I got to keep some room here for my stuff. And this must be good because it says as seen on TV. Anything on TV is good. So they say. Well, let's try it out. Nothing easy to open. And I'm going to cut myself. I can see it coming. Obviously, I'm prone to hurt myself. If I wasn't, I wouldn't be called Three Fingers Garage. As seen on TV. All right, I got it dirty already. Arrow actually makes pretty good stuff. They make good staplers. That's about the only thing I know that they make. So when you squeeze the trigger, it turns. Switch up here must be for reverse. Well, that's forward, and that's reverse. So we could call that a cordless, batteryless drill. We gotta try it out. Came with this also, and I see there's one bit up there. Maybe we'll use that bit. Might be easier to get out. Well, it's magnet. That probably helps. It's on reverse. Let's see if we can put a screw in this. I got this short drywall screw. I'm just gonna drill it right into the, this is my workbench, it doesn't matter. This would take a long time to put a ceiling up or put something together. I don't want to leave that in there. Let's see if reverse works. Well, I have a feeling this probably won't get used very much. These might. Little socket things. All right, what else do we got? Tile repair kit. Oh, just a sponge and some little squeegees. Probably won't use that. Well, I might in the future. A Hansen flip knife. So I need a knife to open up the knife. I ain't sponsored by anybody, just so everybody knows. Haven't had my channel for that long. Think there's a blade in it? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a double knife. Oh, it's got a shingle knife on the one side. This is actually not a bad knife. I don't know what the rubber things are for. Got some little rubber tabs that you can push, but I don't know. What's it say on the package? Where'd the package go? Let's see, I got two pieces to it now. Fast blade changes. What's it say here? Probably should have read it before I cut it open. Oh, I see. So you slide the blade out like that. I should put this down a little bit more so you guys can see better. And then you push that button, so they say. Oh yeah, oh, double-ended, that's good. Yeah, that's all right. That's a good knife. My knife thing here I got right there. What's next? A benchmark knife. Serrated blade, cuts faster, cuts longer. Should I read this one first too? And blades, knife and blades. You can't go wrong that way. These earbud things are driving me crazy. Oh, what? Oops. Excuse the language. May contain coarse language, or will contain coarse language when I hurt myself. So this one has got some little grooves there to hold your knife if you don't want to stick it out that far, and then you can see it there right here on this side. You can hear it. That's a pretty nice knife. It's got kind of like almost like a rubber handle. Put that in there. Comes with the blades. I better cut this open some more. I already didn't totally cut myself, but .50 serrated blades. I had another knife somewhere with serrated blades. Pretty handy. Throw that in there with the knives. What else we got? Huge chisel. Tool Tech. Oh, this side's better. That's just a 12-inch. See if we can get this thing off here. Pliers, I think, work better. Or side cutters, one or the other. You know, I got all kinds of new stuff, and I'm always using my older tools. I don't know why, but I do still. So I think this was a pretty good gift because I have hit myself multiple times trying to do something. This is pretty awesome. What else we got? 32 millimeter oil filter socket. I don't think I've ever seen a socket, or an oil filter, I mean, that small. I might leave that in the package too and hang it up with my other filter changers. Yeah, I really don't know what that would fit. Maybe I'll run across something someday. An internal pipe wrench for 3/4 internal diameter applications. Oh yeah, I see how it works. You stick it in the end of a pipe or a broken fitting, so it says. Turn counterclockwise. That's kind of different. So this end, obviously you put a wrench or something on. And this turns inside. Oh yeah. So when you turn it, it's closer down here, so you probably put it in the hole where it's close. And as you turn this will turn, and then it makes a bigger space. And that's different. What's this one? 1/4 drive, universal socket. Oh yeah, so if you had a socket, what can I use? I'll use a screw. The screw I got out here still. So if you say you had a strip socket, or not a strip socket, a strip bolt or a nut, you'd stick this on there like so, and that grabs it. It's actually grabbing the screw. I got a set for that, but it's not like that. It's just all different sizes. Maybe I won't have the right size and this might work someday. I think I'll leave the clip on that too and hang it up. A power steering pulley. Pulley and installer. Let's open her up. I don't work much on big vehicles. I do my own. I've never brought nothing to a garage. I always fix my own stuff. So this might come in handy. I don't think I've ever had to pull a steering wheel off. But this might work for other stuff too. Put enough stuff around it. You could use it to pull other stuff. I got lots of pullers. That's pretty handy. This I got from my brother-in-law. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. Let's open her up and have a look at her. Trusty old knife out here again. It's still got a Christmas wrapper on it. More tape, obviously. Oh, maybe not. What a weird box. So some hardware, some kind of wall hanger. Got instructions. Yeah, that's the right way up right there. Better keep the instructions, I don't know why. First you'll plug into the wall. See how she works. Oh, it works pretty good. It's a high vis cord. Shouldn't trip on it, but I probably will in the garage someplace. I don't know where I'm going to put that. I'm sure I got a spot for it. Well, that'd be it for this video. It's just a little short video. That'd be kind of fun to open some stuff, make fun of some shit. And I did cut myself. I was bleeding a little bit. Told you I would. Yeah, it's Sunday, so I'll take you out of the holder. It's raining. It's cold. I think I might just go watch the race today. Maybe some golf. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like my wife says, subscribe. Have a good day. One more thing I almost forgot. My daughter-in-law made me this t-shirt. I just got it yesterday. Thought I'd wear it today for the video. The wrench is a little stretched for some reason. I don't know why. Could be something to do with eating a little too much. All right. Have a good day.